Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this Ladybug hat in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to get this hat, you need to increase your star level in the insect story. You can go to the collection right here. Oops, sorry. Open your watch and open the collection and select insect story. And you will be able to claim the Ladybug hat after you reach 75 stars. So you need to keep increasing your collection. I mean, you can keep catching new species of the insect, so you can increase your star. Then after you reach 75 stars, you will unlock this Ladybug hat. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the Ladybug hat in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!